Alright guys, I want to introduce a brand new feature in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy to you, and therefore we're now going to enter the website, and it's going to be really amazing. It's going to be awards. So if you want to test your abilities on guitar, you can there are requirements which you need to fulfill, and there you can pass. If you fulfill them, then you get an award, and it's like a personal achievement for you to say, okay, I've went through this, I can do this, I'm on this current playing level. So let's check it out. I quickly switch to my website, where you find it. It's you can enter here, or you can enter over the other link. Anyhow, but if you get to this, I need my glasses now. So now you're in the Music and Guitar Academy. Some of you probably already been there. If not, I'll quickly explain the features again. That's the full Music and Guitar Academy, and down here you find the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with all with search tags, which you can really go for the lessons of your choice on your playing level here. It's all written here, and here you find the different genres, and there you find a lot of stuff, a lot of tutorials. Okay, so here you find tutorials, and if you go to tutorial here, you find tutorial here, and if you want to download the files attached to tutorial, then you can click here, and for premium members, the files, backing track and tabs are available. So now let's go to the Students Awards. Now we go to on the full view of the Music and Guitar Academy, we go to the HPCrazy Students Club here, and here find the Students Awards here on this tab. Now there are two courses at the moment available: Blues Guitar Intermediate and Rock Guitar Intermediate. So let's enter Blues Guitar Intermediate. So that will be the course. Here you find a description, a long description, what is needed. Here are the requirements to pass the test. It's written here, and I've added some example tutorials where you can practice the stuff, but you can also do it with other examples. But here are requirements to pass. It's pretty open. It's in this case, lead guitar, use minor pentatonic plus blues scale in at least 2 positions on the fretboard. Rhythm guitar, play one version of a rhythm guitar. Important, the rhythm precision level is 70%. For intermediate, only 70%, and maximum 3 mistakes per blues. So that's okay, and you have to play at least 2 different types of blues to pass the test. So if you want to pass the test, or even go for the test, then you scroll down here, and here you find Book Your Blues Guitar Intermediate Test. For premium members, it's $10, and for normal free members, it's $15. I mean, it takes me like 10-15 minutes time to check your test. So now let's click here. Here you find all information you need to know, and here you can add some additional information. Here you put in your link of the video, maximum 10 minutes, where I can see what is required or what you're playing, so I can really check what your playing level and if you fulfill the requirements which are needed. So if you do that, blah blah blah, then you book this test, and I'm gonna answer latest in 7 days. I'm gonna check your test. What happens if you fail the test? Nothing. But also, I don't give you a refund. If you're not ready for the test, just don't do it. It's really simple. What happens if you pass the test? That's the cool thing. Then you get a reward or an award. If you go to your personal profile, let me go quickly to my profile. Here you see your awards which you have. click here, and here you see I have the Rock Intermediate Award and the Blues Intermediate. It gets displayed in your profile. So if you pass the test, you get an award like this. For the later awards, like Rock Guitar Advanced or Semi or Professional, then you get a real award, but that's at the moment it's in planning stage. I want to see if this is an interest of yours, if you really want to do stuff like that, and if there is a really request for this tool, there can be more courses be written, and we can proceed with all this cool stuff here. Okay, yeah, that's all about the HPCrazy Students Awards. You go either over the link, which is in the description box below. You can enter there to the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, or you go over the website or the full website and enter where I showed. And have some fun with that. And I'm really curious if some of you are interested. As I said, I wrote 2 courses now, from beginner to intermediate. If you're interested to know if you fulfilled the requirements, book a test and you get your reward if you pass the test. And if you say, okay, I'm already an intermediate player, I want to do another one like advanced, let me know in the comments that I have an idea if it's an interest of yours. It's just stage 1. I wrote 2 courses and I see if there's any reaction on this. So cool, that's all. Bye guys.